in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme appearance in MacBook Air. So currently my MacBook version is 14.4.1. So let's start. So first of all, you can go to settings at the settings panel, and you can search for appearance. In appearance, you can see there has three types of appearance. So basically they have light, dark, and also auto. Auto will synchronize based on the time. And also you can choose for Asian color, also can highlight color. Lastly, you can change for sidebar icon size. So now I'm using for dark color, multicolor. You can change for appearance for light color. So you can just press and your banner, everything will be in light color. You also can change for the color for purple, pink, red, orange, and others. So basically you can just play around with the settings to get your desired properties. So that's all for today. Thanks. If you want to learn more, you can check the description down below. Thank you very much.